Welcome back guys, it's Christopher here. Today I will show you how to customize your login page in WordPress. I noticed that many people hate the basic login page and I won't disagree with you. I think it's a bit outdated as well. That's why I will show you how to turn it from this into something like this. So let's dive into it. The first thing that you need to do is log into your site. Once you're in a dashboard, head over to the plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Custom Login Page. There will be many different plugins, but the one that I'm gonna use is a Custom Login Page Customizer by Colorlib. It's my favorite one, especially since it's a free and it offers a lot of customization. Install and activate it, and then get back to the dashboard. You will notice a new tab in the sidebar called Login Customizer. Click on it and it will open another page where you can customize the whole login page. Everything from colors, images, buttons and more. Start by selecting a template from the Templates tab. There are 4 or 5 different templates, but my favorite one is the second one. Next, get back and go to the logo options to upload your logo. Once that's done, open the layout option to change the columns and make them bigger or smaller. Then get back and go to the general form options. Here you can customize the form, play around with the borders, padding, box shadow and style the whole form according to your needs. Once you're happy with it, you can change some of the text in the login and lost password pages. After that's done, style the form buttons and links to make sure everything is consistent. And there you have it. You just created a fully custom login page. Not only it looks more professional, but it also improves the whole user experience, especially for your clients. Another great thing that I like about this customizer is that if you're familiar with CSS, you can customize it even further. I will add some more code and customize it even more. So here is my final design. I will leave my code below for anyone who wants to get it. Anyway, feel free to play around and create something that you like. You don't have to copy my design. You can always find the design that you like and change some of the settings based on your own needs. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks again and see you in the next video.